Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to disable Gifs autoplaying in Telegram. If you find Gifs autoplaying annoying or prefer to have more control over your media experience, this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the main interface of Telegram, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. Tap on it to access the menu. Step 3. In the menu, you'll find various options. Locate and tap on Settings, and then select Power Saving. Step 4. Under the Power Saving settings, you'll see different options to optimize your Telegram experience. Look for the Autoplay Gif option and disable it. Step 5. Next, slide the slider above the Autoplay Gif option to the On position. This will ensure that GIFs no longer autoplay in your Telegram conversations. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable GIFs autoplaying in Telegram, giving you more control over your media consumption. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you personalize your Telegram experience by disabling GIFs autoplay. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.